So I kind of feel out of the game as far as YouTube goes. The one upload I remember doing until I just did this last couple was like August 1st, 2020. And then the next upload I had 6-speed life. The next upload to follow that one was selling the F-150. So that took too damn long for me to make the video. So I'm going to do a much better job at keeping more constant content going, because for one, I got a good job for it right now. I can do some things with these vehicles that I want to do. Of course, I do enjoy making content, but I've really lacked in doing so. So, excuses? Well, life's been busy. I was laid off there for a little while, and I got picked back up in August 2020. July 27th, my son Cade was born. So ever since then, it's been hectic. Like, it's to take care of kids, clean the house. And I'm a father. This little guy's 1 year old and a couple months, and he keeps both me and his mother busy. Hi. Yeah, I'm working on the house. Replacing doors, drywall work, redoing his bathroom. Work in progress still. Still gotta do tubs around. Yeah, because of you, life's pretty busy. You're a lot of upkeep, buddy. Yeah. Basically my workstation. Now I'm rendering a video right now. This is the problem. It's gonna be about a gigabyte, and it takes well over an hour or two to save. I just need a bigger system. With having my oil field job back and the income being a lot better, I've been sinking the money into the house, which is obviously the wiser way to do things rather than, you know, spruce the car up completely. But yeah, I've really been lazy with the YouTube stuff, but that's all gonna come to an end here. I'm gonna start putting out the content that I want to and working on these vehicles, and let's face it, I do miss doing it. It's fun. I wish I need to get a better computer so I can do it a little faster, but yeah. So get ready for a lot, everybody. I'm getting back in the game. And this car is running great, so that's always exciting. So keep up the good work, champ. I gotta get cleaning my garage. There is just too much stuff. Oh man. Well, guess it's not gonna clean itself up. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Give it a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more, because I'll tell you what, I can attest, so can my guy here, that there's some really unique things in store. All I can say is stay tuned, everybody.
Huh?